Hello friends, welcome back. So today we will talk about how to debug DAX in Power BI and how to format DAX. So suppose I have a report, base date with this slicer and this matrix and again this table. So suppose I have to change something in DAX, or so that I want something else here and I want to change the condition of DAX. So first of all I will see what existing DAX is working, and there are multiple variables. So I would want first to know what first variable is there and what is the second variable, and if I get value of each variable one by one it would be great. So आज का वीडियो इसी के लिए है कि हमारे पास अगर कोई टैक्स लिखा हुआ है तो उसको हम कैसे डिबग कर सकते हैं, वन बाय वन उसकी वैल्यू हमें कैसे मिल सकती है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो हियर हमारे पास ये टैक्स लिखा हुआ है एंड सपोज मुझे हर वेरिएबल का वैल्यू चाहिए, तो मैं क्या करूँगा, रिटर्न के बाद हर वेरिएबल का मैं एक वेरिएबल नेम टाइप करूँगा एंड एंटर, एंड here you will see number is getting changed, score point is 1, and if I want to know the value of base month, then you will see type base month and click commit, and here you will see 12. If I want to know the base quarter variable value, then type base qtr and click on commit, and here you will see the score point is 4. So that is how we can know each and every variable's value, how it is working. And now if I want to format this DAX, so there is a one website called DAX Formatter. So click on DAX Formatter and click here, make your DAX code easy to read, paste your formula here and try. So this website is free tool by SQL BI that transform your raw data or raw DAX formula into clean and beautiful and readable code, so that normal person can understand what DAX is working. And this is how this improves the readability of the expression. So DAX को अगर हमें रीडेबल बनाना है और easy to read बनाना है, so we will copy and paste here and click on format, and it will take few seconds and it will provide you this. It will format your DAX in this beautiful format, so you can just copy, and if there is any error or something something which is giving error, it will highlight that, and you can copy this and paste in this you can see how it is written, and just click on commit and it will work as it was working earlier. So thank you for watching.